So watch this, guys. When you look at the foot, this top bone here, where my pointer is, that's sticking up, that's going to go to the tibia and the fibula, and it's going to kind of like be able to swing like this. This bone here is called the talus. Or we sometimes refer to it as the ankle bone. So this is the talus. Now, the bone below the talus and backwards here, this big thing that's forming your heel, this is called the calcaneus. So the talus and then the heel bone, calcaneus. Talus, calcaneus. Those two you're going to be able to find real easy. The remainder of them, if you look at the top of the foot and you look down at it like this, here's the talus. This is always my starting point, the talus. The bone right in front, kind of heading towards the big toe, this bone right here is the navicular. In Latin, navicular means a boat. So when the anatomists looked at it, they said, this looks like a boat. Now you got to remember, this is hundreds of years ago. Then it's not like a speedboat that we're used to seeing, but can you picture kind of like a Columbus boat that Christopher Columbus sailed, those sailboats that have this type of appearance? So it looked like a boat shape, so they called it navicular, and it has any meaning to you. So that's the navicular. Then in front of that, right, when talus, navicular, there are three bones. They all have the same names. They're called the cuneiforms. Cuneiform, that's medial, intermediate, it's in the middle, and then lateral. 1, 2, and 3. So these are your cuneiforms. Talus, navicular, and then 3 cuneiforms. The last bone, there's 7 of them, right above the pinky toe, and the foretoe, is the cuboid bone. Okay? So again, the talus like this. What's the heel bone? Calcaneus. Then if you take the talus like this, the one in front, the boat, if you look at here, the boat is the navicular, and then 3 bones, all with the same name. Cuneiforms. Medial, intermediate, or middle would be okay. Lateral. And then by the pinky toe and the foretoe is the cuboid. Cuboid. Very easy to see. I still listen to you guys. That's just the whole together.
Has to do with the opinion.
Now, did you guys understand the hand before we had the metacarpals? So the same thing in the hand, in the foot. Instead of saying metacarpals, you're going to say metatarsals. You're also going to number them 1 to 5. Number 1 is the great toe. Number 5 is the pinky toe. So again, if I said identify this bone, you're going to say what? The third metatarsal. Okay? And then the phalanges are the same as the foot. If you understood the hand, you know the foot automatically. Each toe, not the great toe, has 3 phalanges, just like the 4 fingers did. The big toe has how many?
2.
2. Okay? So if I said identify this bone right here, what's the answer?
Medial phalangeal.
Middle.
Phalangeal.
No, middle. Phalange. Middle phalange of the third toe. Not metatarsal. Sorry. Toe. We just numbered the toes. They have the numbers on the metatarsals of the third toe. So it'll be the middle phalange of the third toe. That's how you get full credit. Okay?
Toe.
A lot of stuff today. You guys did good, man. So how much time we got left? What time is it? It's 10:30? So, I guess you can start packing up. So do me a favor, watch. Don't just throw all the crap in there. The pelvis is stay out. And then, I guess that's the only thing.